Moi kaikille. Tänään opimme kellonaika suomeksi. Today we learn time in Finnish. Basic questions we can use to ask time. Mitä kello on? What time is it? Paljonko kello on? What is the time? Before we go further, you should be familiar with these words. Tasan, exactly, yli, past, puoli, half, vaille, two, and tuntiviisari, our hand, minuuttiviisari, minute hand, sekuntiviisari, second hand. There are two important hands you should know. One is tuntiviisari, it shows hours. Minuuttiviisari, it shows minutes. Please pay special attention to puoli. Puoli means half. While in English, 5:30 is half past 5, in Finnish, we say half 6. That means puoli kuusi. Kello on puoli kuusi. Time is half past 5, not puoli viisi. Please pay special attention to that. Every time if you want to say half past, you should say the next hour. That means if it is half past 5, you should say half 6. If it is half past 4, you should say half 5. And also for 15 minutes, we can use the word varti. Varti means quarter. Quarter. Kello on varttia vaille kuusi is the same as kello on 15 vaille kuusi. We are using the partitive case or partitivi here rather than using the basic form varti. Don't confuse with that. We will study it in later sessions. So please memorize this. That's enough. Kello on tasan yksi. Time is exactly 1 o'clock. You can remember tasan means exactly. Kello on tasan 12. Time is exactly 12 o'clock. As I told you earlier, here you can see kello on puoli kolme. Time is half past 2, not half past 3. Time is half past 2. Kello on puoli kuusi. Time is half past 5. Kello on 20 yli 5. Time is 20 past 5. Kello on 5 yli 2. Kello on 5 minuuttia yli 2. Time is 5 minutes past 2. Kello on 5 vaille 2. Time is 5 before 2. Kello on 10 vaille 10. Time is 10 before 10. Sometimes you may hear a different way of telling time. Most probably at the railway station. Rauta means iron, tie means road or way, asema means station. Rauta tie asama means railway station. People say time in this way. 8 o'clock, they say 8:00. If it is 8:30, they say 8:30. If it is 7:40, they say 7:40. 7:45, 7:45. I will see you next week with part 2 of this lesson. See you soon. Nähdään pian.